Hello students of Standard 8, welcome to DAV Mall Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Mishra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same topic, the fun they had. Before starting, let us quickly recall what we studied in our previous session. The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov. The story opens with Margie writing in her diary about an old book that Tommy had found. However, Margie and Tommy live in the future world where education was completely computerized. They don't have schools, they have a special study room where a computer teacher teaches them. The computer teacher is programmed and adjusts according to the needs of each child. Now and then the computer teacher develops some fault which is fixed by a county inspector. Both Tommy and Margie wonder at the book found by Tommy in his attic. They wonder at the book as they read books on screen of computer teacher. In the lesson you will come across some difficult words. Here are their meanings. Geared, adjust to a particular standard or level. Blanked out, it has been erased. Loftily, in a superior way. Dispute, disagree with when you are opposing something. Nostalgically, calmly. Now, we know the reason for Margie's dislike for the school. So she asked Tommy that why would anyone write about school? Tommy was looking at Margie with superior eyes because he knew that something Margie was not aware of. He said that Margie was silly because she did not know that many years ago the school was not the kind they had. Tommy wanted to stress on the time period and said that centuries ago the schools were not like the one they had. Margie was hurt at Tommy's behavior and she said that she did not know what kind of schools they had centuries ago. She was curious and imagined a group of children being taught by a human teacher. She looked over Tommy's shoulder, trying to read the book, and said that perhaps they had a teacher. Tommy is referring to a machine teacher as a regular teacher because that is what they are used to. That is the teacher they had, a machine. He said that it wasn't the machine, it was a man, human being, who taught them. Margie could not believe that a man was the teacher because she had always seen a machine doing that. Tommy tells that the man who taught the class discussed many things with the students, gave them homework, and then asked them different questions based on it, just like their mechanical teacher did. Margie said that a man teacher is not as smart, intelligent as the machine teacher. Tommy asked Margie not to underestimate the human teacher. He said that he is as knowledgeable as the machine. He compares the machine to his father and says that his father knows as much as his machine teacher. Tommy could bet on it that human teacher knew as much as mechanical teacher did. Margie did not want to discuss this further and added that she did not want a strange man, the human teacher, to come to her house to teach her. Tommy found it very funny. When Margie said that she did not want a strange man to come to her home to teach her, he said that teachers did not come to students' house to teach them. They had a special building, a school, and the students went to the school to study. Margie was surprised and asked that did all the children learn the same thing? Tommy said that all the children of the same age studied the same thing. Margie refers to a machine teacher. She says that her mother told her that The machine had to be tuned to the level of each boy or girl who was studying from it. So each child has to be taught separately depending on their level. Tommy replied that in the past they did not do it that way. He got irritated at Margie and said that she needed to read the book. Margie is interested in the book. She is curious to know what kind of schools were there. She wanted to know what kind of schools they were there in the past, as she felt that they were fun. Margie had read just half of the book when the mother called her, as it was the time for her to attend her virtual school. Margie's school was in the next room to her bedroom. She said to her mother that not yet. She did not want to go to school. Margie's mother said to Tommy that it was time for him to go to school too. Margie was so interested in reading the book that she asked Tommy if she could read the book with him after school. Tommy tried to ignore her and said that maybe she could read it. Tommy was feeling very great because Margie was interested in reading the book. He placed the book under his arms and he went off to his home. Margie reached her school. It was the room next to her bedroom. It was a virtual classroom. There was a machine teacher for Margie. It was on it. It was waiting for her to begin teaching her. Margie studied all the day except Saturdays and Sundays at the same time from this mechanical teacher. Margie's mother was very particular. She told Margie that she would learn better if she would study every day at the same time. Margie sat in front of the machine similar to the computer and the machine was turned on. It said that lesson of the day was arithmetic and the topic was addition of proper fractions. Further, it instructed her to insert the homework of the previous day in the slot for inserting the homework. Margie's life is very mechanical, just like a machine. There is no fun in her life. It is very dull and boring, just like a machine. Margie is thinking of the school told to her by her grandfather. Her grandfather told her that his grandfather used to go to school when he was a little boy. As Margie is bored with this machine, she is reminded of that life. When Margie comes to know that in past children used to go to school, they sat together, laughed and shouted in the school, she gets curious about it and wants to go to school. Margie feels that school is so much fun. Children get together, they study in a fun way. They get the same homework and they can discuss it, take help and talk about it also. So all students become friends and study in a fun way. She found it very strange that teachers were not machines but they were human beings. As Margie has inserted her homework, the machine started with the lesson. There was a pause, no time for fun, no time for chatting, and no for interacting with friends. Here the author ends with the story with the title, The Fun They Had. The fun the students had when they went to real schools. Margie is just thinking about the kids of the past who went to the school and enjoyed studies. Let us quickly recapitulate what we studied today. Margie is curious to know about the school that existed in the past. Tommy tells her that it is not their kind of school. That is the old kind of school that they had centuries ago. The students had a human teacher who taught them and gave them homework and also asked them questions. Margie argues that a man cannot be smart enough. Tommy further tells her that the teacher didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. The kids of the same age learned the same thing. Now it is Margie's school time. She goes into the schoolroom, which is right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher is on and waiting for her. She puts her homework in the slot with a star. She is still thinking about the old school they had when her grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. Those schools were far better than the schools of today because they offered great fun to the students. Dear students, based on today's topic, here is a short assignment for you. Have a nice day. Thank you.